Simone Signoretti, do you take as your lawful wedded husband Kimberly Rose Caballero Taporco? And do you promise to be faithful? Look at her. Do you promise to be faithful, love and take care of each other from this day forward for as long as you both shall live? What is your answer?
So Mario, where are we going today?
We are going to get married.
We are going to get married, not me and him. He's just my witness. But on Amsterdam, I have appointment with my future wife in the city hall, and tomorrow we fly somewhere.
Now we are in the car. I'm going to Amsterdam, and Simone is waiting for me there. I'm with my best friend Alba. She cannot see it because she's driving. My parents there, and Andrea, my sister. Hola. And yeah, I'm a bit nervous, but let's see later.
Okay. I would like to get married with some AC Milan tracksuit. It's not the case, I think.
I'm going to show you later my dress because now I'm here in the car. Before I didn't have enough time to record, so later maybe I will show you the dress, the beautiful dress that I have today.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You're ready.
You're ready?
Yeah.
So it's Spain and Italy.
Yeah.
In the past it would never happen 20 years ago. Almost.
Why not?
Because they were a little bit enemies in the past. In the far past.
Old story.
Also,
Yeah.
happily, it's an old story. I agree with you. Okay, Debbie. We are gathered here to perform the marriage of Simone Signoretti and Kimberly Rose Caballero Taporco. I would like to ask you to stand up.
Yes.
I will go a little bit to the side. You can make your pictures and be careful that you don't hurt yourself. Okay. Look at each other and not at me if you're. That's much nicer. So please. You don't have to stand, but you're allowed. Whatever you want. But it's normally only for the bride and groom. But if you want to stand, you stand. Here we go. Simone Signoretti, do you take as your lawful wedded husband Kimberly Rose Caballero Taporco? And do you promise to be faithful? Look at her. Do you promise to be faithful, love and take care of each other from this day forward for as long as you both shall live? What is your answer?
Yes.
And Kimberly Rose Caballero Taporco, do you take as your lawful wedded husband Simone Signoretti? And do you promise to be faithful, love and take care of each other from this day forward for as long as you both shall live? What is your answer?
Yes.
So they can kiss each other and you can give them an applause, eh? I have a tissue for you if you want.
You are ready.
I'm ready. Okay. So now you can exchange your rings. If you want to. You didn't forget?
I forgot the rings.
In principle, that's no problem because it's not an obligation. No, it's symbolic.
It's here.
No, amor. El otro.
Yeah, I can see.
A ver. ¿Es aquí ahora?
Sí.
Muy bien. Okay, as a registrar of the city of Amsterdam, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Yes. Here's your wedding booklet. No.
How do you feel, guys?
I'm emotional. I'm a married man now.
Let's
And
kiss.
sorry, you can keep your
Let's have a kiss, guys.
Che poi questi momenti divertenti li mettiamo.
No,
Will be around 1 hour driving from
ti posso
the...
stoppare. Fai tutto da capo.
No, non faccio tutto a capo perché non mi ricordo cosa ho detto prima.
Vabbè, rinizia da capo, fai un'altra prova.
Uno prima.
No, fai un'altra prova. Fai un'altra prova.